This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah. Now, Ankita Kumar. Ankita Kumar, you are
Good evening,
appearing.
sir.
Good evening. You are appearing for which
Ankit-
interview?
Federal Bank, sir, PO.
Federal Bank PO or FCCE?
No, sir, PO.
Very good. So now I have brought out two materials, one on frauds and another on Banking Regulation Act, which will be useful for both PO as well as, say, the FCCE candidates. So invariably in the federal bank interviews, they will ask you questions like, tell me about yourself, tell me about your native place, tell me about your family, tell me about your parents, tell me about your college. For all these questions, you must be prepared. And they will also ask you, why did you prefer this subject, computer science? Ankit, what is your degree subject?
So genetics and plant breeding, masters in genetics and plant breeding.
So what is it you are studying in genetics and plant breeding?
I used to study about crop improvement, sir, manipulating the genetic makeup of the plant, the DNA, RNA, protein, etc.
Very good. I think you had one mock interview already with me, na?
Yesterday, yes, sir, 8
Yeah.
p.m.
8 p.m. Yeah. So when is your interview?
Day after tomorrow, sir, Tuesday.
Have you taken one more date for mock interview or not?
Yes, sir, today.
Today. So what is, at what time have I given you?
6:30, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Good, good, good. Excellent. Now, have you studied? What have you studied from the materials given by me? Ankit Kumar, please tell me.
Sir. Sir, I have read that Aparichit notes, sir. 131 pages notes was there.
Okay.
Then I have read the budget of 2023 Union budget.
Okay.
Then I have read about the federal bank recent quarter results and what are the profits it has earned. Then the agricultural schemes.
No, it seems Nirmala Sitharaman is bringing one more new tax. She is bringing a new tax for say people like me who are staying abroad. For if one
Yes,
comes,
sir.
if you know that
LRS policy says 20% TCS on international credit.
that is right. That was there 2 days back. That was
Yes, sir.
a tax on expenditure incurred using credit card outside the country. But now they have revised that and stated that above 7 lakhs rupees only, if somebody incurs, he has to pay tax. They have changed the rule. That
Yes,
is
sir.
good. Yeah, but now this rule is something a residence retention tax. India. Today it has come. I saw in one understanding the concept of withholding tax in India. One minute. India residence retention tax. No, what it says is about, I had a, I saw that it says if anybody goes abroad for in a calendar year, then he has to pay some tax. Taxes on personal income section for a description of the types of residential status envisaged. An individual is said to be a resident in the year if he is physically present in India for a period of 182 days or more in a year. What is the 15% withholding tax? The 15% withholding tax rate applies to, this is not applicable to this. What I saw was a small, in one of the, WhatsApp groups, it has come and the tax goes like this. Yeah, this is the tax. Can you see it now? No.
No, sir. No.
I am showing you now. Here it is. Are you seeing now?
Yes, sir.
Here it is given in Tamil. வருடத்தில் குறைந்தது ஒருமுறை வெளிநாட்டு பயணம் செய்திருந்தால் குடியுரிமை தக்க வைப்பு வரி 2024 ஆண்டு முதல் அமல். நிதி அமைச்சர் நிர்மலா சீதாராமன். குடியுரிமை தக்க வைப்பு வரி. I don't know how to put that. Citizen retention, citizenship retention tax India. It seems some tax. Yeah, it has come here. Here it has come. Here it is given because
it says
this
that is fake, sir.
Pardon? It's a fake.
Yes, sir. The first picture itself is stating it's fake.
Acha, it's a fake.
Yes, sir.
Thank God. Thank God. If it is fake, I'll be the happiest person. Not that I don't want to pay, but
that's why I thought, because I didn't read this thing in the Hindu headlines as well since 2 days or 3 days.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for telling me this. Now, boys, girls, regarding your federal bank, I have posted some videos which I want you to go through, listen to that and understand. Here, this one is about bank frauds. This one is on bank frauds. And it tells, look at some of the biggest bank fraud cases that India in a decade. Vijay Mallya fraud case, PNB scam, and ABG shipyard fraud case are some of the biggest scams that have hit in the past few years. I am stopping this. I am telling you what I have told you here. See, I have given you the link for the material from the Deccan Herald book paper. So if you go through that, you will know what are the frauds committed. This is very useful for candidates appearing for FCCE. They must know about the frauds. It tells about what are the frauds given. It tells about, say, this Vijay Mallya fraud case. Then it tells about Punjab National Bank scam, Nirav Modi case, then Winsome Diamond Bank fraud case, ABG shipyard fraud case, Kanishk Gold Bank fraud, Andhra Bank fraud, Rotomac pen scam, then Videocon case fraud. These are the things. So please go through this. Even those who are appearing for, what is that, PO, you please go through this. It will be useful for you for information. And the next one, this is bank fraud case. The next one case is about compliance. What do you mean by compliance? Compliance means carrying out as per the directions of the controlling authority. In India, bank's controlling authority is Reserve Bank of India, and we should do as per what they are telling. And the important points are covered in Banking Regulation Act. I have given you the link for that here, but some mistakes are there which you have to correct. For example, in that material, it is given that CRR as some 3%, whereas now it is, what is the percentage CRR now? Tell me.
Cash reserve ratio.
What
It
is the
is
percentage?
4. Sir, it is
4.5.
Correct. It is now 4.5. Similarly, SLR also is given wrong.
18%.
Now it is 18%. So these
Yes,
things
sir.
you must know correctly. And after that, look, I have given these details here. This will help you answer questions in interview also. When they ask you, what is banking? You can read this. What is your name? That boy's name.
In
Boy.
which document, sir?
No, I am giving you this is shown in the latest video comments column. I have given you this file. Banking Regulation Act, important sections. Okay. I want you to read this. I want you to read this. Now, I think that boy is Ankit Kumar. Ankit Kumar, this.
Yes, sir.
Say, for example, if you read this, it will tell you banking means acceptance of deposits for the purpose of lending or investment. The deposits of money from the public repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawal by check, draft, order or otherwise. How nicely it is telling all the important points. What is banking? Banking means accepting deposits from the public and making advances. I used to tell that one only. Now this definition is more clearer. It says that the money received is used for lending and also investment, and it is repayable on demand or otherwise. What are demand deposits, Ankit? What are demand
Yes, sir.
deposits? Tell me.
So demand deposits are basically whatever the customer used to deposit in the bank on
Hello. When this
Yes, sir.
question is asked, you should tell the name of demand deposits first and then speak.
So saving bank account deposits, fixed deposits, recurring deposits, etc.
No. Fixed deposit is a time deposit. A recurring
Okay.
deposit is a time deposit. Savings bank account and current account.
CASA. Okay, sir.
CASA. These two are known as demand deposits. Correct. Lenovo, are you there with us?
Yes, sir.
Lenovo, what is your degree? Lenovo,
Hello?
what is your degree?
Sir, mechanical engineer.
Your interview date known now or not known?
Yes, sir. It will be on 29th.
29th.
Yes, sir.
Oh God, you are lucky. You are really lucky. You have so many days left before you to prepare. Good. Then
Yes, sir.
I suggest you go through, there is one material known as guidely material. There is one material known as guidely material that is also good. About that, I will tell you later on. Here, what are the important points I am telling you? These sections and all, you please go through. and here I am referring this because there are some mistakes. Cash reserve ratio is now 4.5%. SLR is now 18%. These points I want you to remember before while going through this. Please read this also, and then you must be. And now I have given one more video on bank fraud. That is okay. Apart from that, another video also, I think I have posted. Bank fraud case, then complaint. Talking about compliance, some of the important points I have to tell you is that banks have to follow certain rules and regulations. For example, if there is Shop and Establishment Act, which says that shops should function only for so many number of hours, you have to follow that. If employees should be asked to work only for so many number of hours, that is also compliance. There are compliance from different angles. For example, banks should pay their taxes. Banks should follow all rules and regulations of that particular locality or society. And other points are Banking Regulation Act, they should follow, and they should follow all the provisions of other acts, like say SURFACE Act, IBC, so many other acts. Whatever you are doing, you must do as per rules. There shall not be any deviation. And for this, I have given a video and a material. In that they have given about what is compliance and all that. Please go through that also. Compliance video, there is one video on compliance. You can go through that one also, because now is the time for FCCE. I am giving importance for that. Otherwise, I will not lay emphasis on that. Apart from that, you should go through latest balance sheets. You must go through latest balance sheet of Federal Bank. So I hope all of you know what is the details of total deposits, advances of Federal Bank. Do you know that? Excuse me, do you know that? Nobody is telling with confidence. Yes, that means
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Please tell me what is the profit made by our Federal Bank in the last quarter?
903 crore.
9.
Good. 903 crores. Good. Maria, please tell me what is the profit made by our Federal Bank during the full year?
67% growth, sir. Net profit.
No, but what is the profit? Full increase. Full throughout the year, what is the profit made?
Don't know, sir.
I have given you as important press release. I have given you as important press release. In that, you know, 1 minute, I will show you. In that, it is given, details are given. I think I should make it.
3010 crore.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, just one request. Like you have shared the lot of data. So under which we have to go for only federal one, that first one, federal folder, sir.
No, let me tell you. For
It is very
Federal,
clumsy.
for Federal Bank, what are the things you have to study? One, compliance angle. What are the things? Most important is Banking Regulation Act 1949. Important provisions you must go through. Number two, what are the types of big frauds committed in India in banks? I have given details. Please go through that. I have given details of, say, frauds, that one only. And apart from that,
It is in that
regarding,
folder, sir, that frauds,
regarding, pardon?
it is in that folder because like there is only policy, some information, this profit and all information is there, but specifically frauds that happen.
Fraud I have posted in a video yesterday.
Okay, okay.
You people, you are not watching any of my videos. Why am I taking pains to prepare videos overnight? Yesterday night, I was sitting and preparing the videos and I have posted it and you people are not seeing it. Now I have come online to correct that CRR is 4.5, SLR is 18%. That is the point I want to tell you. And regarding frauds, I have also given you a Raju and 40 thieves, that material about what are the types of cyber crimes committed go through. Regarding the question I asked Maria, what is the year-end profit? It is given here, 3,010 crore. Maria.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And the quarterly figure is 903 crore. And what is the GNPA percentage? 2.36%. NNPA percentage 0.69. Shyam Srinivasan is managing director. This question is very important for all of you because they will ask, what do you know about Federal Bank? That also you must tell about this. Then why do you want to join Federal Bank? Then also you will be telling these points. Apart from this, you should tell about the awards they have received, the corporate social responsibility they are performing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay.
you must know that the total business of the Federal Bank, please note down, Federal Bank people, 3,87,000 crore. Total business means what? Deposit plus advances. In any banking company, when they ask what is total business, it means deposits plus advances. So total business is 3,87,000. Then deposits is 1,77,000 crore. Sorry, advances is 1,77,000 crore. Deposit is 2,13,000 crore. When I commit mistakes, you must correct me, boys. I am reading wrongly and you are not correcting me. Here it is advances 1.77, deposits 2.13. You must know that. Then capital adequacy 14.81. This much is sufficient for you. If you know this, this is sufficient. Apart from this, general questions will be, why should we select you? You must tell, I am a quick learner. I am a hardworking person. I enjoy shouldering more responsibilities. I am keen on identifying the problems and I will be a good compliance executive. Like that, you should say. Okay, why should we select you? That question. What are your strengths? Same points, more or less. I am good in time management. I am good in problem solving. I am a good team player. I possess leadership styles. I am also a creative person. You can feel happy and tell about this. And why do you want to join banking sector? Banking sector is offering good scope for career growth and job satisfaction is very good. And also it is a growing one. Why you want to come to Federal Bank? I want to come to Federal Bank because Federal Bank is one of the top leading private sector banks in Kerala, and the employees are being treated very nicely. It is told in one of the greatest place to work in Asia. It has received an award, and I am hopeful my career will be good if I join Federal Bank. So I want to join Federal Bank. Do you follow? So this type of answers you must give. Apart from this, there can be questions like, who is your role model? I suggest you tell, my father is my role model. My father is working as so and so. I like his quality, namely being punctual, being good in decision making, being kind to others. Some such information you can tell about your daddy or mummy. So who is the role model? Then they will ask you, what are your hobbies? You tell about your hobbies and try to know some details about it. Tell them how this hobby is useful for you. I will ask Lenova, what is your hobby?
Sir, traveling, playing badminton.
Badminton and
Sir, traveling.
pedaling, cycle pedaling.
Sir, traveling.
What is that? I
Tra-
don't. Manslailla.
Traveling.
Traveling. Acha,
Yes,
acha,
sir.
traveling. If you tell like this, they will ask you, what are the places you have visited outside your home state?
Sir, I am from Kolkata. I have visited Sir Gangtok, Shillong, and also Jaipur.
Bangkok, Shillong, and Jaipur.
Yes, sir.
You have visited Bangkok also.
Sir, Gangtok. Sikkim.
Gangtok in Sikkim. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So Sikkim, what is the capital of Sikkim?
Sir, Gangtok.
Who is the chief minister of Sikkim?
Sir, don't know, sir.
Doesn't matter. Now, you have visited Jaipur also.
Yes, sir. I have done my bachelor's in Jaipur.
What are the places you visited when you were staying there for 4 years?
Sir, I have visited Ambed Fort, Jal Mahal, Hawa Mahal, also Jaigarh, Nahargarh forts, etc. Sir.
Which city in Rajasthan is called as Pink City?
Sir, Jaipur, sir.
Jaipur. So what are the minerals available in Jaipur?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Who is the chief minister of Rajasthan?
Mr. Gehlot, sir.
Very good. Excellent. So hobbies means traveling. You will have these questions. Another hobby, what did you say?
Sir, badminton.
Badminton. What is the length of a badminton court? Dimensions of a badminton court? What
Sir,
is
I
the
can't recall it now.
What is the weight of the badminton ball or badminton, that one, that rocket?
Shuttle.
Shuffle, yeah. And then who are the famous players in badminton in India or your home state? Since when are you playing badminton? What is the advantage of playing badminton? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, Ferin Math. What is your hobby? Ferin Matthew.
I like swimming. I like swimming and gardening and cycling also.
Swimming, gardening, and cycling. Cycling. Can you swim in rivers, running rivers?
No, sir. It's not like that. I can swimming pool. I can swim.
You can swim only in
Pools.
You can swim only in swimming pools. Okay, no problem. Then what else is your hobby? Cycling.
Cycling and gardening.
So how do you go for cycling? How long do you cycle every day roughly?
Half an hour maybe.
Okay. Then what else is your hobby?
Gardening.
Gardening. So what are the things you are doing in gardening? Keep your mic near your mouth and speak loudly. Please tell me what are the things you are doing in gardening?
Okay. I plant new plants, then I water them and maintain them by adding manuals and fertilizers for their growth.
Hmm.
Hello.
Hello?
Okay, sir.
No, you must be able to talk confidently and tell some more detail. They will ask you, what are the crops grown by you? Like that. Okay?
Okay.
You must tell that. The object of arranging this session is for Federal Bank people to go through the recent videos posted by me, go through the Federal Bank folder, and also go through the playlist, watch important videos, take notes, and prepare so that you can answer the questions properly in your mock interview. Could you follow?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Very
I
good.
have a query, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, yesterday I was watching your that compliance video. You have not provided the link for the article you are reading in the video. That is compliance on what is compliance.
No, I have given it.
No, sir, I have checked it. It was not there in the video compliance link.
No. 1 minute. Videos, Federal Bank compliance. This is the video. Here, what is compliance? Here, I have given you 2 links. One is Learning Stones, Banking Regulation Act. Then Advocate Code, Banking Regulation Act. This is a very big one that is also given. And what else? Financial Crime Academy, bottom. Here, entire rules regarding knowing the rules. Whatever I have read out, that is also given. You have not seen it fully. Okay.
Sir, I have opened it, but it was not the same as the video was shown. That what is compliance? It was not there in that article.
Here it is
Yeah,
there.
sir.
Hello, are you now seeing that video before your eyes?
Seen yesterday only. I mean,
No,
in the morning I have seen.
here I am showing you. I will show you now. It is there now on the screen. Are you seeing now?
Yes, sir.
In this, the first one is Banking Regulation Act. Here only some corrections to be made, like CRR bar being 4.5%, SLR being 18%, I told you. Then this is another big one consisting of various provisions of Banking Regulation Act. That is very lengthy. Apart from this one also I have given Financial Crime Academy. It is something put up in, say, America, but most of it can be applied to us also. That is why knowing the rules, employees and staff, knowing the rules, penalties, final thoughts. Likewise, so many points are given here. You can go through this. And it is not a very big one, except that you must follow the rules. That's all. Understand? As a banker, you must follow the rules. Know your customer rules, money laundering rules, then all the other conditions, whatever, pay the tax, collect GST from people, all those compliances have to be told under this. Okay. Could you see that video? Excuse me. Could you see that video?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Best wishes. Start reading. Prepare well. I will arrange for the mock interview for you. Arrange to conduct a mock interview for you. Those who have not taken mock interview time, please message me WhatsApp and I will fix up a time on Monday or Tuesday and see that mock interviews are conducted. I request you to tell me the suitable time, whether you can take interview from 5 o'clock in the evening, or you can also take in the morning if necessary, from 7 to 7:30, only one slot I can do, or 6:30 to 7, 2 slots. Morning, if you want, you can take it. Please confirm me. I will message you. You must do extensive reading. Read also latest newspaper reports and go as a confident person. Know about Bombay Stock Exchange, know about US dollar rate, know about Reserve Bank rates and all that. Go prepare very well and go. I am sure you will succeed. Best wishes. Thank you. I will close this class with this. I will meet again all of you at
Thank you, sir.
7:30 p.m. today for LIC AAO. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,